Bon appetit.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and today we're making fresh made, homemade, easy Bisquick buttermilk biscuits. We're gonna start off with some Bisquick mix. I love it. It's literally, it couldn't get any easier. You're gonna add about 2-3 cups to it. Why not? Follow me on Instagram if you like at Bougie Boy Eats. We're gonna add in a blend of cheeses. Sharp cheddar works the best, but whatever cheese you like will also do. Nice and easy. Now we're gonna add in our minced garlic. This will also help bring moisture to our biscuits. These biscuits rather, typically are made with milk, but I chose to amp it up a notch with buttermilk. You know, add it sparingly till you get the appropriate consistency that you want. If you think you've added too much, you can always add in more Bisquick. That is the easy part of making easy biscuits. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake them biscuits. And you know, just get your little plastic spatula and get to mixing. Making biscuits like this kind of dough doesn't need to rest. It's all about consistency at this particular point in time. You could also take a half a stick of butter fresh out of the fridge. You need to add some more buttermilk here. The butter fresh out of the fridge and mince it if you want to, or actually chop it thickly and drop it in. I chose to not do that because I didn't need to, but you can. That's what you're looking for. Look at that goodness. Cheesy, garlicky. I can't wait. You know, now you can dust your hands off with flour or with Bisquick. And you're gonna get into your biscuits by using the tools that God gave you. Forming your biscuits is always good. Also, you could use utensils and actually do scoop them on, do drop biscuits. You'll get better, what I call peaks and valleys, which are better for the nooks and crannies, form easier on those. And it's amazing when you're doing your garlic butter sauce. And I actually didn't film how to make the garlic butter sauce in this video because I've shown it in other videos. It's super simple. You get a ramekin or bowl, a stick of butter, some garlic powder, some garlic salt, some fresh minced garlic, maybe a little fresh Parmesan shaved in, and melt it down. You can do it on the stove, you can do it in the microwave like I did. And you know, give it a stir, throw in some fresh flat leaf Italian parsley, and brush your biscuits when they're fresh out of the oven, and it is golden. One more thing that I do, a little Kevi secret pro tip, I actually dust a little garlic powder on the biscuits after I've brushed them with the butter. And just like that, get them nooks and crannies right together. Love my biscuits. I don't make these nearly enough, but when I do, I really get down on them, and I make enough for an army. Heck, I make enough food for an army on a regular day. I really need to work on that. And per usual, all of my actual step-by-step directions will be in the description box below. If you found this video to be entertaining or useful to you, give me a subscription, hit the like button. You're gonna put these in a baked oven at 350 degrees, and then they're gonna look like this. Beautiful biscuits. See them shine and shimmer, dusted with the garlic butter of goodness. Don't forget to click that like button. Thanks, friends. We'll see you on the next video.
I'm gonna get up on this biscuit. Y'all, why do I do this to myself? Look at this biscuit. Like, look at that. Oh, so good. As I often say, I can't even continue to speak, so I'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.